This is the Steam Deck OLED, Valve's boldest upgrade yet. But is it worth your money in 2025? Alright, let's break down the pros and cons of this gadget. Pros of Steam Deck. Stunning OLED display. Larger 7.4-inch screen. Longer battery life, lighter and more comfortable. Quieter and cooler. Wi-Fi 6E support. Up to 1 TB of fast storage, premium build quality. Full Steam library support. The cons of Steam Deck. Higher price tag. Still a big device. Not all games run at max settings. Glossy screen glare. Limited native Windows game support. No official support for non-Steam games. Still noticeable fan noise under load. In real-world gaming, the OLED deck handles modern titles smoothly, often with better frame pacing and less fan noise. If you want a powerful handheld PC for AAA gaming, this is the best option right now. But casual gamers might prefer something lighter, like the Switch OLED or Asus ROG Ally. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews every week. Thanks for watching.